Are you a European caravan owner? Then you need to watch this. European caravan suspension rubbers carry the caravan's weight on the 3 rubber shown here in red. The rubber starts out round, but the constant weight of the caravan flattens it over time. At the axle, the wheel, hub, and suspension all share that load. The rubber cords flex with road vibration, and they do it quietly, dampening the ride as you tow the vehicle. That is why having flexible rubber cords matters so much. The rubber cords are pressed into place under immense pressure to support the caravan's weight and absorb road shock while traveling. Over time, repeated weight loading alters the material's shape. What begins as a flexible, round rubber cord gradually becomes flatter, harder, and oval-shaped, and is less able to absorb road impact than it was when new. Under the vehicle, you can see the suspension at work as the trailing arm moves up and down. When the rubbers are new, the trailing arm can move up and down in a 25-degree arc. Once the rubbers have flattened and hardened, the trailing arm can no longer move to the designed range, and the suspension becomes less effective than before. The road vibrations are now being transferred directly to the vehicle's structure, causing the cabinetry to break and come loose from the side walls. The cost of repairs becomes greater as every pothole causes more damage to the caravan's structure. Once the rubber cords reach this point, it is time to extract the old flat rubber cords and replace them with fresh round ones. This is the ideal time to consider upgrading the existing suspension with an aftermarket spring upgrade. The spring upgrade transfers the caravan's weight from the rubber cords to the springs, delaying the new rubber cords deformation and making towing your caravan much more pleasant. Get your caravan assessed for free at Vantage RV Limited.